In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Aweber Get More Leads step by step for my business. Start by logging into your Aweber account and going to Pages and Forms. From there, click on Landing Pages. This is where you can build a simple page that collects subscriber information, usually an email address, in exchange for a free offer. Next, click Create a Landing Page. When you see the template options, choose a lead magnet thank you template. This type of template is designed for lead generation because it includes both the opt-in experience and a clear next step after someone subscribes. Once the template loads, edit the text on the page. Replace the headline and body copy with wording that matches your offer and your business. Keep the message clear and specific so visitors understand what they are getting. Also, make sure the page clearly communicates the benefit of subscribing. After that, click on the form element inside the landing page, then select Submission. This is where you control what happens after a visitor enters their information. Set the thank you page to deliver your offer. For example, you can send them to a page where they can access the lead magnet right away. This helps reduce confusion and increases trust because they receive what you promised immediately. When you are done, click Save and Exit, and then click Publish. Publishing can take a little time to load, so wait about a minute and let the process finish before you move on. Now set up the email delivery using automation. Go to Automations, then Workflow, and click Create Workflow. Choose On Subscription or Subscribers as your trigger. This makes sure the automation starts as soon as someone joins your list from the landing page. In the Workflow Builder, drag in a Send Message block. Use this message to deliver the lead magnet instantly by email. Keep the email short and focused. Include the access link or instructions and make the subject line clear so subscribers can find it easily later. Finally, click Activate to turn the workflow on. Once it is active, copy your landing page URL and share it on your website and social media so people can start signing up. And that is all there is to it.